see my breath in the air? It's too damn cold. Epoxy needs to be above 60 degrees, and it's probably about 30 right now. It's supposed to get up to 60 this weekend, which sounds great, right? Except next week, it's supposed to snow. Some of the most beautiful country and some of the shittiest weather. We would need to keep it like 60 degrees in here, plus as warm as we really could get it for over 24 hours. There's also this possibility of tinting. There's this huge roll of plastic in that back corner, and it came with the garage whenever I got into this house. And it's like, I don't know, it's 2-3 mil. It's not that thick, but it would be enough we could like tint something and heat it. So maybe we'll try something with that. But I found out some interesting facts about the region in which I live and what it used to mean to duck hunting. So while we're waiting to warm up, maybe we'll make some videos about basically history of this region and what's changed with it. So, okay, I'll figure something out. Okay, so day one, we've got this one done, this sheet, and then we've got this sheet done. So these two, we got 4 more to do in cutting out these parts.